Okay, so hey guys, today we're going to be doing a Subway Surfers vid. Now I can't find it. There we go. Subway Surfers. Haven't played this game in a while. Recently updated it, but I don't think it's that bad. At the moment, when it used to be the craze, like I was in what was year 7? No, it was year 7 when I was in last year. I'm 12 now. Yeah, I was in year 7 when this was craze. To be fair, it wasn't a bad game at the moment. Loads of people hacked it, so it made it really unfair. Well, besides that, it was a really good game with decent graphics and no lag if you had a decent phone. And it was recently I just got 193,000 in this game with a multiplier of 5, which I still got now. Sorry if it's a bit laggy, I couldn't be able to pay a fiver for a screen recorder. Just not yet. Oh god. Ah, crap. Oh, how on earth did I get 193,000? Mega head start, as usual, bitch. Oh, damn. Yeah. What can I do in this game? There's some fun to it, probably be a bit immature, but I'm a boy, so it's, yeah. Oh no! Oh. Here at the sea. Oh. Wait. Ginger ninjas are just the best. They're like gingers who are ninjas. And they carry around knives and stab people. Being weird is a good thing for you little kids. Because I'm wearing it. Still got some friends. Because I'm happy. Oh, well, fuck you. There's one more go. Wasting all the head starts. Oh my god, it looks like he's humping the jetpack. Oh yeah, faster. Oh shit. Yeah, man. So recently I've just started this, YouTube channel, about a couple of days ago, but couldn't really upload my video due to a few technical difficulties with my Google Nexus 4, but other than that, I've had quite a bit of luck finding the apps. I can put a link down for the screen recorder I use, and it's also in the corner at the moment, recording. Well, if it's not there, it's for me. It is recordable, and then you search it on the App Store. It's got like this. The only reason I got it is because it's got like 4-star ratings, so I thought it was decent enough to get my download. But what I might start doing after like Subway Surfers is maybe a few series. I don't really know what to do. Maybe a Clash of Clans or just some random games. Once I get some viewers, I'll start doing like computer, like Minecraft and TF2, and like stuff on Steam. So it won't be that bad. Sorry if my voice is really weird. I really don't like my voice on the microphone. It's probably the most messed up thing ever. Should edit this and get a voice change. You're making me no. Best thing ever. Oh damn. So on this YouTube channel, I'll start uploading maybe a video a day, and then just kind of I'll try to do as much as I can, but it depends, because I'm still in school at the moment. I'm 12 years old, nearly 13. It depends on like my schoolwork, because I've got summer tests coming up, which depends on my grades. And I know it doesn't seem as important as GCSEs, but when you're younger, it is. Only people in only people year 9 below will get this, really, or if you've experienced it. Oh, yeah. Oh, you do that. Oh, jump the fire. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, them skills. Damn skills. 35,000. It's not bad. Wait. This video will be really boring. Sorry. I'll try make it the best I can, but I've never really had an experience, as this is my first proper video. Sorry. I really am. Oh, skills. What I should do is like do more vids outside, because I've recently started skateboarding. Yeah, I am a bit of a scooter fag, and I'm a bit of BMXing and like roller skating. So I do like loads of stuff. Oh god. Yes. Wait. Yeah, that works. Can't believe I've got like 193,000 on Multiplier 5. Not that bad. See if I can beat it, but I won't try to do it this video using lesson. I'll try to skip ahead. If I can't, then I'll do something to it. Oh, I'm gonna end this in a minute then. Yeah. Alright, there you go. But thanks for watching, guys. I will see you later. Bye.